Hey guys, it's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
All right guys, today we're in East Dallas. It's actually the L-Streets neighborhood close to Lake Highlands. We're only 10 minutes away from White Rock Lake, 15 minutes away from the Lakewood Country Club, and about 20 minutes to downtown Dallas. But Sheila, give us more information about this one.
Yes, this is built in 2023. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.2 baths. It's a 2-car garage. It's 4,020 square feet. It's listed currently at $1,850,000, which is $460 price per square foot, and it's sitting on a 0.24 acre lot, which is roughly 10,700 square feet.
Fantastic. Thanks, Sheila, for giving us that information. It's a cool, stylish house. But remember, if you guys are looking to buy or sell here in the Dallas area and you want to partner with true experienced luxury agents, that's Sheila and I. You get 2 agents instead of 1. We have over 10 years experience, and we're with the #1 luxury broker in town. So enough about that. Let's go check out the property.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property. And if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
Hey, perhaps you're interested in selling your house for top dollar in today's market. Well, we can help you with all your buyer or seller needs. All you need to do is schedule a consultation call by clicking on one of the links down below.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
And as always, remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio and Sheila. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
See you guys next time.